Okay, what is good, guys? Just got another backtesting session today, and we're just going to be backtesting the 10 AM power of 3, and we'll just extend this current backtesting session by 1 week, and this is the current stats. So we'll get straight into it. Obviously, skip up till Tuesday as I don't trade Mondays. Usually, get rid of this. On the daily. So, well, this is dumping. Made relative equal lows, so we're definitely going to come down here and take them out before we go any higher. We do have this new week opening gap, so that is something to watch out for. So we can just mark this out. Might want to rebalance into that but we can have a look. Obviously, clearly bearish market structure. Expecting this 1 hour gap. However, we are respecting this 1 hour. But we have all of this low resistance liquidity down here. So I'm going to be looking for a short today, 100%. So yeah, AS is clearly just the better indice right now. So let's wait for this be tapped into. They also have a 15-minute gap. So okay, so we have SMT into this gap. There's NQ. NQ does not come up and fill it. Does it? No, it doesn't. And we have a tiny 1-minute gap here. I'm just going to take a position here. Probably let stop spread a little bit above this 15. And then just take it down to this low. This should be an easy target for us. What risk to avoid is that? Oh wait, wrong one. I meant take it down to here. So, not a limit. We can just do 0.5 here. And we'll just go and watch this. Easy. Do we? Okay, so we have to do this manually. Okay, so that is the first day done. Pretty easy trade. Like not really much to say about that. Extremely easy trade. I'm surprised we haven't come up and filled this new week opening gap. So yeah, we also do have like a very high like we have a huge bullish SMT. But we're trading inside of a 4 hour, and we respected that CA like very, very well. So I will be cautious of taking a short here. Cautious of taking a long. We do have this 15-minute gap here. So we might want to come down and rebalance into it and then continue higher to target the new week opening gap. So we respect that CA, disrespect this 1-minute gap. We also disrespect that. So I'm just going to try like a light risk position here. Just leave stops there. And we can go break even at this high. We could even trim some off there. Then I'll leave a runner all the way up to the new week opening gap. But I do not think that will hit. Gonna go just 0.25% here because this is very risky. We're trading inside of a 4 hour. Probably shouldn't have gone break even there, but now we have SMT with AS. So let's just watch this play out. We get stopped out, bro. TradeZella is the grousest platform, guys. You guys should go and use it actually. So yeah, copped an L there. Actually no, I'm gonna go back because like we shouldn't have copped an L there, bro. It was just this platform messing up. Yeah, we'll go. Just get tagged out there. Okay, so let's just go to the next day. Surprised we haven't actually taken that new week opening gap yet. So I'll just. So it looks like yeah we've just sold off all week. Respected that 4 hour that we were trading inside of. Is there really any point of interest for us to see a reversal? Not really. No 15-minute gap. We are trading inside of it. Well, we just respected this 15-minute gap, so probably would be fine to take this 3-minute inversion, but again, I don't really want to do that. Okay, that was a very strong recovery. Was there any like huge POI? Okay, first presented weekly gap in this leg up. That I think we're probably going to reverse here now. And we have SMT inside of it. Like, it's all the way down here. And we have SMT inside of it. So, let's try. I'll get the AQ of this range here. And we can just take a long up to here. That's if I need more confluences though, because I'm going to wait for this 3-minute to be inversed. And then I can reassess. No inversion there. Okay, so we inverse that. Now, I'm just gonna, we can leave stops. I'll leave stops just below the inversion. And then we can target EQ. That's a 14R. I'll go break even. This 15-minute gap will form in 3 minutes. So I go, we're trading inside of this 5. But I'm not really worried about it because we're delivering out of a weekly gap, a first presented weekly gap, which is like insane. It obviously is going to trump a small 5-minute gap, if you know what I mean. So we can set a limit order here. Doesn't even tap us in. Let's just market order, I guess, because this isn't doing it for us. Does it want to do it or no? Not the best feel, but as you can see, the CA of that gap respected. I'll break even now, but we're trading inside of this 15. And then TP will be up here at EQ. Respecting that inversion. Yep. And then I need to get ready to exit this position because okay, so we can exit it there. Insane trade to be fair. 14R, but obviously we didn't catch the 14R. We got filled like we got filled. Wait, where did we get filled? We got filled like up here, so it's not really the best risk to reward. 7.8. And now we can just go to the next day, I guess. So we did just come up, rebalance the equilibrium, and just immediately dump, which is actually. Oh wait, no. My dumbass, bro. But yeah, you can see we came up, rebalanced EQ, and then just dumped again. So probably this is insane how this is selling off on the weekly. Like 1,800 ticks on AS as well. That's like crazy. So, respecting that first presented 1 hour, we're probably going to be looking for shorts again today. Have these relative equal lows. Or we have equal lows, should I say. Got swept though. I'm not really interested in taking a long low today because this isn't really providing us with anything. I would say let's take a PO3, but we inverse this gap, so that's invalidated. And now we're just sort of just chopping around. We're probably just going to accumulate in this range all day after dumping that hard on the weekly or in the week. 6,000 ticks on NQ. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, and then that's the end of New York, so I will get off there. Oops. Okay, so good backtesting session made, like quite a bit in that backtesting session. 91% win rate now. February, very good month. 40% in the month, which is like, it's insane. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you boys later.